In fact, I have already filed and will be filing necessary and appropriate charges against my accusers and prove them wrong. And with the help of the Almighty, I will be vindicated and declared innocent, I am sure. Kaya ko po ipagtanggol ang sarili ko, Ginoong Pangulo. Ngunit, Ginoong Pangulo, sino po ang nagtatanggol sa ating institusyon? Kaya't ang aking tanging hiling po sana sa inyo, Ginoong Pangulo, at sa ating mga kasamahan sa Senado. Labanan po ninyo at huwag niyong pahintulutang ang mapamiling hustisya na lantarang nangyayari sa harap natin ngayon. For what is happening now is selective justice and mob justice. Members of the Senate have been thrown off a cliff before the court of public opinion in an attempt to mollify the people's rage, thereby covering up the real perpetrators and giving them a chance to get away. Mr. President, I will not allow justice to be weaponized against the innocent to protect the guilty, because this corrodes the legitimacy of the law before our people's eyes. Wala pong naniniwala. Bagkos lahat nagtatanong, bakit walang congressman nakasama sa investigasyon?
But what about the other congressmen in Bulacan? Why haven't they been questioned?
Called out, yeah.
You think that they do not know what's going on?